Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm just going to be doing a regular, easy, fun, slick back ponytail. So first you just want to start off with some freshly washed hair, and you want to do this simply because you want your hair to be easy to work with as you're detangling. Shout out to UNice Hair, they sent me a bundle of hair to review for this video. So now I'm just going to section this small piece of hair off simply because it's going to be in a braid. Now I'm using my Eco Styler gel and my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. Getting ready to apply both of those products all over my hair and comb them through. Now I'm just using my hard bristle brush to slick my hair down. Now I'm just going to pull this back into a ponytail with my metal-free hair tie. I'm going to comb this small section out to get it ready for the braid. So I'm just going to slick everything down and make sure it's all sleek, and then I'm going to add some braiding hair to the end of my ponytail. Now I'm just going to cut that excess braiding hair off that we don't need. Now as I wrap the hair around, I'm going to make sure it's all tight and tidy, and then I'm going to add a bobby pin to secure it. Now I'm just taking my edge tamer brush and I'm going to be doing my baby hairs and edges. I ended up using a spray bottle of water to make it look really sleek and wavy. Detangler, I use this to brush my hair out. This regular brown brush, I use this to slick my hair down. Of course, I use my Eco Styling Gel Olive Oil. I use Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls and my edges brush, and I use this as well on it. And then I just use some bobby pin. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. You guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the love and support.